A very good morning, students. Let's recall what we learned yesterday. Yesterday I told you how to arrange the numbers in columns and then add them. Hope you have done it well. Students, while telling you this, I told you that it's mandatory to write the first number on the top while arranging them in the columns and second number later, right? I told you to write 3 at the top and then 5, same in the next one. I told you to write 14 at the first and then 17 and then we ended. But what if we change the numbers? What if I write 5 at top and 3 later? Will there be any change in the answer? No, there will not be any change in the answer. Let's check how. As you can see, I have placed few pens here, right? So let's count these pens. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the left hand side, there are 4 pens. Let's count these now. 1, 2 and 3. On the right hand side, I have kept 3 pens. So if I ask you to add all of them, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many pens they are in total? 7. They are in total 7. What if I scroll 1 pen here? Now on the left hand side they are 3 in number and on right hand side they are 4 in number. I have reversed the digits. 3 and 4 this time. So what's going to be my answer this time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm getting the same answer, right? So this is called commutative. That means the numbers are commutative under addition. That means if we change their places, there will not be any change in the answer. Let's see. This is our today's topic. I have written at the top addition, and as you can see, I have written A plus B is equals to B plus A. That means there is no change due to the shifting of digits, right? Digits, how digits? The complete number. Here 3 is written first and then 4. But if I write 4 and then 3, there will not be any change in the answer. 3 plus 4 is 7. 4 plus 3 is also 7. And this is true not only in the smaller numbers but in the bigger numbers also. As big as you can take, there will be the same thing, same process. If I am going to add 17 and 18, these are the two numbers. So if I write 17 first and then 18, or I interchange their places, there will not be any change in the answer. My answer will be same. Let's check how. Okay. I have written here 7 plus 2. As I told you to keep in mind 7 and then 2 blocks further. That means 8 and 9. So my answer is 9. Students, I repeated this word many of the times that you should keep the bigger number in mind only because to lessen your calculation so that you do have less numbers or less blocks to be counted. But in actual, what we do while learning the addition, that we keep first number in mind. So in this way, if I ask you to keep in mind 2, how many blocks will you move further? 7. This time 2 in mind and 7 blocks further. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So I'm again reaching at the number 9. That means if I am writing 7 at first position, 2 at second position, or if I change their positions, 2 at first position, 7 at second position, the answers are same in both cases. There is no change in the answers. So that means addition is commutative. We call it commutative. Okay. Let's take 2 digits number now. I have written 23 and 25 here. So I'm going to reverse their positions. In the next time, I'm writing 25 at the top and 23 later. In both the cases, I'm going to have the same answer. As you can see, if we keep 3 in mind and 5 blocks we move further, after 3 is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm getting 8 here. But this ways, if I keep 5 in mind and I need to move 3 blocks further, 6, 7, 8. Again, my answer is 8. So in the both cases, we are getting the same answers. So I hope you are clear with this thing, that in addition, if we change the places, I'm repeating again, if we are changing the places, that does not mean I can write 5 here, 2 here. That will be the different number. We are not changing the number. We are just placing the number in other ways. We are not free to write 3 anywhere else, right? If the number is 23, I will write 23 only. I can't make it 32. I can't make it 52. If the number is 25, I'm going to use 25 only. But if I'm writing 23 first and then 25, that I can change. I cannot change the position of tens and ones. Getting me? We cannot change the position of tens and ones. We are changing the position from top and bottom. First number, second number. Second number can be written as first number can be written as second number. So that means in the columns we can, while arranging in the columns, then we can change their positions. So whenever you will be given like this, if I ask 5 plus 3 is equals to 3 plus dash, so that dash will be 5. Dash will be 5. Again I have written 7 plus 6 is equals to 6 plus dash. So dash will be 7. Let's take 2-digit example. 28 plus 13 is equals to 13 plus dash. What you are going to fill in this dash is, what will be there? 13, 13. You can see both the numbers are here. Which number is missed? 28. So my answer is 28. My answer is 28. So this is the way of doing. Hope you are clear with the concept. Still, if you find any doubt, do ask me. I'm waiting. Okay. So let's practice these more. I'll be sending you a worksheet for this. See you then.